how to prevent COVID infection. And this is a somewhat very important topic. Yeah, the earlier two topics I said, who will develop COVID infection and why not to panic about COVID infection. This is something how to prevent COVID infection. See, uh, the COVID has given many good lessons for everyone, universally and globally. We need to accept it. This is an eye opener, at least the human population. Please understand, we are not in the right path. We have deviated from the nature and we are created this infection. We are the reason for this infection, and now we are defining solutions for this infection. Let's understand, why should we create this? Why should we be instrumental to develop such communicable diseases, and why we are destroying our human population, destructing our human population. This is the outer thing, especially the children and the young generation and the adolescents and the youth and all, because we have to understand, we need to prevent this COVID infection, and it can be even a very general topic. People should think themselves, if not COVID, why not some other infection in the future? We are all now focused on how to prevent COVID, how to prevent COVID, how to prevent COVID. Have anybody have thought, if COVID is being eradicated in the country, in the global situation, have we recovered completely? Have we come out of this problem permanently? Never. We have to look for a permanent solution, and that is something, it is from and every individual's effort and support. They have deviated from the nature. See, we are not leading a proper healthy lifestyle. The human population are not eating the proper food. They are not having the proper health activities, and that has reduced the immunity in the body. And as that, once the immunity started deteriorating, so automatically infections like COVID is giving you so much of serious health hazards to you. So we need to understand, the foundation is, if your body is bubbling with proper immunity, you should be worried about COVID or any other such infection is going to come with some different names in the future. Let's have an eye opening. Let's the changes starts from within. Let's the transformation starts from within. We have, every individual has a moral responsibility to look after themselves. When you fall ill, whether your parents or your spouse or your children or your friends or your neighbors, nobody is going to take that pain and suffering other than you. If you understand, then you will care yourself. If that understanding comes to every individual as an inner transformation, automatically the world will become healthy. So let's be as an instrument. Let me set the benchmark. Let me be a role model for this community, for this society, for this population, to make the change within, and automatically let good news spreads better. So if you have a proper healthy lifestyle, if your health is there, automatically don't worry about COVID. Yes, let's try to avoid acquiring this infection by maintaining social distancing, by judiciously following all the government advices, norms, regulations, policies. But let's understand, if you are healthy, so many individuals have developed that infection and have not been screened, and they become completely normal without even going for an isolation or a restriction, because they have not been screened. This is a very small subset of population have gone to this because of maintaining a proper health and a lifestyle. They have been able to cope up with such COVID infection also. The so-called dreaded infection, which has taken such an unusual deaths and morbidities and mortalities and casualties, still a small subset of population who are really concerned about their health and a proper lifestyle is being escaped from this COVID, who will escape from COVID in the future also. So the very core area is social distancing, vaccination, prevention, wearing mask is not the real prevention of COVID. Please understand, the real prevention of COVID is the proper health and the lifestyle. And how we are going to spread this message is up to you. Please understand this and go one step beyond the government advices and public awareness that beyond social distancing and applying mask and maintaining proper other advices given by the isolation and everything, take care of yourself, improve your lifestyle, improve your health, improve your immunity, and that is as a fundamental responsibility you can do only for yourself. This is the best advice for prevention of not only for COVID, any communicable disease that is going to come in the future. Good day. Thank you.
குழந்தையின்மை, சர்க்கரை நோய், இரத்த அழுத்தம், உடல் பருமன், தோல் மூட்டு வியாதி, புற்றுநோய், இப்படி எந்த நோயா இருந்தாலும் சர்வதேச ஆராய்ச்சியில் அங்கீகரிக்கப்பட்ட ஃபங்க்ஷனல் மெடிசின் வழியில் எளிமையா சிகிச்சை வழங்கி குணப்படுத்தவும் முடியும், நோய் வராம தடுக்கவும் முடியும்.
ஆரோக்கியம் நல்வாழ்வுக்கு ALM ஆயுஷுக்கு வாருங்கள்.
நோயற்ற வாழ்வே குறைவற்ற செல்வம். அதுக்கு ALM ஆயுஷ் வாருங்கள்.